Yeah, it's that thing again. Every time. Right, welcome back to the channel. This is another video. Said in the last one, didn't I, about my blower motors not working. Well, I changed my resistor and it still hasn't worked, so we've still got no fans at the minute. So I was wrong, it wasn't that. So can't win them all, I suppose. So we got more work to do at some point in the week. If anybody knows or has had experience with blower fans not working and would want to tell me or give me some advice, I'd be much appreciated. Drop me a comment if you've got a feeling you know what's up with it. Other than that, she's still alright, you know, she's doing alright. I'm just off now to go and deliver some parts. I'm selling me lawnmower parts this week, so I've got a few deliveries to do. Keeping up with business, keeping myself afloat. It's been a slow week, not done much. Got a Kawasaki mule in at the minute, that's being all refurbed and ready for sale next week. Got a couple of ride-on mowers going this week. What else have I done? I haven't done much really. Been quite a lazy week. Not been much happening. I think we're definitely coming into a recession at the minute. You can see things are starting to get expensive. People are not spending money like they were 6 months ago. So COVID's over, and I think people are going to start to feel the recession coming now. Fertiliser, £1,000 a tonne from £200 a tonne, and we won't feel that till next year. So it's got a long way to go yet. 5 times it's gone up in value on fertiliser. How are farmers going to make any money now? They're just going to pass that on, aren't they? Wait till you see the price of food next year, and then people will start worrying. Anyone's got a Rolls Royce, a nice one, an old one, let me know. I'm after one. I've been after one for a long time and I still haven't managed to find one, a nice one. That's my next little toy. I want a Rolls Royce, an old one. If I can find one decent, pre-war ideally, I'll have it. If anyone knows of anyone who's got one, let me know, because that would be interesting. Quite a cool bit of content for the channel as well. I thought I'd talk a bit today about how I run my business and what I do, and basically the end of it all, I buy machines and I sell them on. It's a bit of a hobby more than anything, but it pays the bills, keeps me afloat, and it keeps putting fuel in my car every day. So yeah, that's what I do, anything. And I started this with a £20 lawnmower, and I'm now playing with 3-4 grand machines. Got me Rangey, trailers, you name it, whatever I need, I've pretty much got it. And I've only started a couple of years ago. So it's better than working for somebody else anyway. I don't have to get up at 8 in the morning and go and work for somebody else for buttons. So if anyone's thinking about going self-employed, my advice is to just go and do it. Just have a crack. You might make money, you might lose money, you don't win them all, but on the stuff you do make money on, it easily pays for the downfalls that you get for working for yourself. And you don't have to get up and go and mess around with anybody else. But anyway, I've just got to go and deliver me parts. I've got to go to post office. I'll be back in a minute. There we go, that's them sent off. There's a few lawnmower parts sent off now, so they will get them tomorrow, hopefully. Back to business. Yeah, so that's what I do. I sell machines, lawnmower parts, anything really, whatever I can get my hands on cheap. I do a bit of cars, but I don't like cars really. They're a pain. But if anyone wants to watch any of that, or anyone wants to see that, drop me a comment, you know, and I might do a video of my day-to-day work in business and what I do and how I sell my stuff and where I get my stuff from. Is the crucial bit. Buying your stuff is where it's at, not selling it. If you can buy it at the right places and you get it for good money, you're laughing. It's when you can't find the stock, that's when it gets hard. So yeah, that's it really. I'll attach some videos as well of me blower motor, a bit of repair work on on that I had to do. I changed the resistor and it didn't work, so I've got more problems somewhere else. So I'm gonna have to get on that at some point this week and see what's going on. Hopefully it's nothing major, because I've seen how to change them blower motors. It's not an easy task, to say the least. The whole dashboard's got to come off, and I don't really want to have to take the dashboard off. It's a lot of work, but if I have to, I suppose. See if these oil motors are working. If not, the fucking Bocco is down today. No. Nothing. So that hedgehog fucking probably does work, innit? Yeah, we got nothing, mate. So that's all fucking 20 odd pound down the drain, isn't it? Yeah, so thanks very much for that. It's just a little quick video, just to keep a bit of an update of what's happening and where I'm up to. And I'll see you all on the next one.